れやばいな。違うわ。あれ誰か違うわ。Bless you! Run! Right over! Did I collab together with all of you? What is going on? Baubau! You like Mococo? You should now, huh? All the years to come. All the sneezes to come. Lights out there. Bless you. Where could I? All this red comment on me. A story by the name of Top Baby. Watch out! I got it. That was violent, Moco-chan. I'm so happy that Olive got to make some new friends. That's not what I was asking. Wait, there's something. お慕い申し上げております。僕もさ、君との絆が永遠だと信じている。It's something I have to say, but I don't have the courage to do so, so I keep it to myself. やっぱり今日の手を変だよ。甘いですね。ものすごく。Feeling completely drained, I sit in my chair, staring blankly at the you could have worked hard to sharpen your paws. And we have Sakura voice. Oh, I don't know that one in the series. Ruffians, we want to be able to solve the mystery, right?
I mean, there's some ruins over here underwater. Big cat.
Let's do. What is your home? And over again, and that's how I received this mushroom cap. Wow. Yes. Yes. Right here. Bless you. Here's more. There we go. Oh my goodness. In the box and you didn't open it, huh? It doesn't work. Bless you. I just pulled up the ceiling and held it everywhere. Thank you. Sorry for once doubting you, but
That's right. I started water. Does he really?
Wow. Bless you. Going. Keep on going. What was? No, that's not it. Ow! There it is. To see you. too. Accomplish a dream. October's. I don't want to open. Oh, bless you, Moko-chan.
あ、オッケーオッケー。ありがとうね。バイバーイ。
開けてね。もう早速いるの。いやー。ゴーモコちゃん。I didn't mean to leave.
903さんです。ごめんなさい。
パパー。パパー。あ、どうしたんですか？
僕は市民だから。
青くん。ある。それはできない。にゃ。
Oh, apparently we get a wand from the spinny thing, the spinny guy.
Okay.
But I'm. She might have, or it was this guy over here. I gotta actually do the, because they're really close. I'm pretty sure it's like either one or the other.
Oh, maybe Moko-chan.
Nope, I'm good.
You're good.
I'm good.
What's Rock.
Try to get one's attention at a time because I think it's really...
Oh. Now I'm scared.
Yay!
Now that
Murder! Okay, let me try to vote for one.
I think I pointed that out once when we were playing Among Us.
いや、転職がいいよね。Papa! Cries giggling. I must still be so sleepy. I said something weird. Fastening door! Moko-chan sneezed on a few for sure. Yeah. I did! Oh, what's the sign say? Red. Baubau! I'm interested in the rest of the... Something. Oh.
This one's a little nicer than one block.
Oh.
Cecilia and Fuamoco, I'm still waiting for
just
you
put it on the floor.
to accept.
This is not safe working environment. I don't think.
She's already got drip.
So many birds nests.
Plugging up the hole. Plugging up the hole.
Wow.
It calls me.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Okay.
Oh, bike stamina. I see. Let's go park it back in the back.
Oh, crazy.
Exploding
Okay.
emoji.
Okay, I think I'm gonna go try and scavenging food from kitchen.
I would hope that most people think that Mococo is... Hi. I don't know about that. Moco-chan!
Collect all the fragments from the second hall, you'll be able to leave.
In theory.
Don't worry, this place isn't actually haunted.
Oh my gosh!
Now
I'm doing it on my own now. I must have kissed such a Moco-chan. Start slick. I did it, both hands. Papa. Huh? It's night. Time to come home. Was it light? No, that's cool. Okay. Bless you!
I found Maltom.
That's good, that's good.
Mococo, come here. Mococo. Let's take the pathway. Stay on the path.
Oh, that looks like a witch. Or a witch. I really can't tell.
Bless you. He's Mococo.
Don't.
Well, that looks like something else, no?
Well, you can get a Molotov, but it replaces that. You should be good with that, actually.
Bless you.
I'm right here.
I'm gonna heal your ass.
Victor! He's spitting!
Thank you.
What if we just kept moving? What if we just kept moving?
Good time.
Bless you!
Look, come on, talk.
Yes. Oh, this is gonna be some of her items. She shows to everybody corner. Yeah, we saw it. We saw her zombie bear face. So bear is dead. Bless you. Mama! Cute. Bless you. Careful, there's a lion alive. A liar? I said alive. Oh. Bless you, Mococo-chan. But we could go to the map. Mococo-chan. The apple. No. Oh, I thought so too. Mama. Yeah. Yeah. Well, that's it. Mama. That was a close one.
Hi.
Time to do it again.
Okay. We did. I'm not. There we go. Ow! Stop! Cookie, it's cookie. Also saw this morning stand across the intersection. There are no signs of life and no trespassing.
Secret Batsu game, so please do not win all the time, because I would like to watch you get punished.
Bless
you.
Bless you.
By the way, so you can refresh now to get the link ready for however people do that.
Bless you. Making the noise because it was just really faint and it sounded.
Bless you.
Oh, bless you.
Bless you.
Maybe. Ow.